Welcome to Little Kids Learning. In this video, we learn about construction vehicles. This is excavator. Next is dump truck. This one is crane. Next is bulldozer. This is road roller. Next one is cement mixer. This one is forklift truck. Next is road grader. This one is scissor lift. This is bucket truck. Next is backhoe. This is drill truck. This one is loader. Next is tractor. This is harvester. This is construction crane. This is demolition crane. Next is pallet jack. This one is flatbed truck. This is fuel truck. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching our videos.